lesson name is Saving the Sparrow. Okay, sparrow is a bird. Okay, so here in this story, main character is Hiralal. Who is Hiralal? Hiralal is also a small boy like you. Okay, here Hiralal looked at the power line that run across his village. You can see the power line you have seen. This is the power line. You have seen in your house, also nearby your house, in the street. No. So suppose this is Hiralal. This is his village. And in his village you have seen pipeline. Their pipeline, and there you have seen the lots of wire going over here and there like this way. No, from here to this side, from here to this side like this way. Not downwards, only upwards. Okay, so what he saw here, his father had once told him that the line brought electricity to their home. Quite often, Hiralal thought about following the power line to see where it went. He imagined the places he would see and the people he would meet. So, his father has informed him that what is this? This is a power line. Okay, this is a power line of electricity. So through this power line now they will get the electricity in their village. Now here, one morning as Hiralal was cycling to school, he heard the loud twittering of the sparrows. Something was not right. He looked up to see that one of the sparrows was caught in the power line. It was hanging there, head down, desperately flapping its wings. But he did not know how he could help. So Hiralal rode off to school. He hoped someone would save the sparrow. So here what happened, now the electricity this is the wire of electricity, and as usually you have seen that so many birds used to sit on this wires, no? This rod also, pipe also. So they used to sit always as like always. So one day when he was going by bicycle, through the bicycle in his school, what he saw there was a loud twittering. There's so many, as you heard, no? Chee 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 chee. So he was thinking what happened. When he saw inside here in the wall, one sparrow was stuck over here, and that bird tried to come out from this wire, but that bird is unable to come out, and so many sparrows were there. They trying to help, but they are also unable to help. So now Hiralal was also thinking what to do, but he saw the wire was on heighted, no, and he was unable to help. So he was thinking that okay, someone will be there who help this bird. So he just went to his school. Okay. Back from school, he saw that the sparrow was still trapped. Its wings were spread, but they were not moving. So here what happened, in the morning when he saw, when he went to school, he saw that the sparrow was stuck over here, but he was unable to help. So he went and he was thinking that someone will be there to help. But when he came back from the school, after his school, what he saw that the still bird was trapped over here. Okay, so it makes him very sad, and now he was worried about this bird, how to help, how to save this bird's life. Okay. died. He noticed that other sparrows were flying around the trapped bird, trying to help it. Hiranal ran into the house. Ma, ma, help me. Pa, quick, come quickly. His parents rushed to his side. What happened? They asked. Worried, he told them about the sparrow. He pleaded with them to find a way to save it. So what happened when he saw that still sparrow was there? So he was quickly running to his house, and he was while running he was just shouting like this way, ma, 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 like this way. So the parents was inside the house, father was also there. They came out. They were thinking, what happened to my son? What happened to Hiranal? So they asked, what happened? Then he said that one sparrow was stuck over there in the wire. Please save. So now here but the power line is very high. His father pointed out. How are we going to reach it? His mother persuaded her lips and said, it's too dangerous. I will not let either of you go near the wire. So when he said, his father was said, okay, we can help, but you can see, you have seen, no, the wire, it was very high. The height was very high, no, so we cannot be touched like this way. No. Otherwise, what they usually, especially the boys or younger ones, they used to play with that wire also, no, if it is under their height. So that's why it was making heighted. So no one can touch. So here his father also said same thing, and his mother was there. She was saying, no, I'm not going to give you permission to go and save this sparrow. Why? Because this is a power line, electricity line. No. So you can also be come under the electricity, and it can be cause death. Finally. No, it can be major accident or it can be cause death. So that why she was not giving the permission. The bird would not live much longer. The thought did not allow him to rest, but slowly an idea began to take shape in his head. Soon after, Hiranal cycled to the power station near his village. When Ram Bharose, the maintenance man, saw this young boy weaving to him, he unlocked the gate and let him in. Hiranal told him about the sparrow. Could you please switch off the power for a little while? He asked. So here, what happened when his parents denied, now he came to know that now it's very difficult to save the life of this sparrow. So suddenly one idea came in his mind that that I can be go to the main powerhouse station. So what he has done, quickly he pick up his bicycle and he start riding to the main power station. Where is the powerhouse station? He just start running over here. Okay. So suppose here is a station, this is his village, and the station is just far away from his village. So he was riding the bicycle very quickly, and when he saw one person was over there, standing over there near the gate, he just waving his hand like this way, because now he came to know it's a time to close the door. So that's why he was waving his hand, and the person was there. The person name is Ram Bharose. Okay, Ram Bharose was standing over there when he saw one boy is coming like this way, riding the bicycle in one hand and one hand he was waving. So he just stopped and he just allowed him to come inside. Okay, then Hiranal asked to Ram Bharose, can you switch off the power line? So he said, I'm maintenance staff over here, I cannot do this thing. For this you can talk to my supervisor. Okay. So here Ram Bharose scratched his head. Then he said, let's see, maybe supervisor can help. He took Hiralal to kind old man who was sitting at a desk. Hiralal was tired and frightened with tears in his eyes. He said, a sparrow is going to die because its foot is caught in the power line. If you can switch off the power, we can take the bird down. Please, you must listen to me. So here, when Ram Bharose took Hiralal to his manager, so he said to his manager said, can you please, manager was an old man, he was sitting over there. So Hiralal asked him, sir, please listen to me, and with full of tears, just crying. And he said, sir, please can you switch off the power line? He asked why. Because, so Hiralal said, because one sparrow is stuck in the electric wire. I want to save this bird's life. So what the manager said here, the old man listened to Hiralal patiently. Son, switching off the power is not going to be easy, he said. Think of the hospitals. What will happen to a patient who is in the middle of an operation? So what manager replied, he said, if I am going to switch off the operation power line, you just think about the patient, especially for the hospitals, especially for the patient and those patients who are going to be inside the operation theater. The operation is going over there. If I switch off the light, what will happen? No. So he said, means it's not possible to switch off the light. For this bird, to save a life of one bird only, we cannot do this thing. Okay. He stopped and looked into Hiralal's sad eyes. Then he said, tell me your name, son. Also tell me where you live. He touched the boy's shoulder like this way, no? You have a large heart, but it's time for you to return home. It's growing dark outside. Sad and helpless, Hiralal returned home. So what happened when he said to manager, and manager said this thing to Hiralal, and now manager said this thing also. Okay boy, as like, okay boy, now tell me what's your name and in which village you are living. Like this way he was asking. Then he said, I'm helpless, I cannot do anything for you boy, but let me see. Okay, now you can go, because now it's going to be dark, means now it's the evening time. No, dark. Andhera ho kalka sir. So here, now he returned back. Okay. He was very sad and he returned to home like this way, because he had so many lots of effort to save this sparrow, but he was unable to save. No. So that's why he was very sad, and he was returned to his home. Near dawn, he woke up to loud noise. Oi, Hiralal, come out! Hiralal shot out of his house. His heart was racing. He had seen 3 men. One of them was Ram Bharose. So here he returned back to his home. Now he is inside his home, very simply sitting very sadly like this way. But suddenly he heard one voice, the very loud voice, Oi, Hiralal! So he was thinking, who was there outside who was calling me, and his heart was just means some excitement was there. No, no. So he came out and he saw that the same Ram Bharose was there, to whom he met in the powerhouse. Okay, so here there is a power shutdown at the station. Ram Bharose explained they had come with the truck on to rescue the sparrow. So he said कि we have cut off the light of this your village. Now there is no power line. So come, I am also coming with the rescue team. So we can rescue or save the life of this sparrow. And jump into the truck. Show us where the sparrow is. So Ram Bharose was asking, show us where is the sparrow, because we are coming with the truck. So he was very excited, very happy, and he just jumped into the truck and trying to moving. Hiralal searched for the bird. Suddenly he yielded a little more to the right, a little more. They were now directly under the power line, where the sparrow was trapped. So here what happened, now he was moving along with the truck, and he was searching like this and looking. No, there's so many whites were there. Now it's become a dark also, no, almost night. So he is unable to see. So they are searching like this way, and he said, yes, yes, please, please, come, right, just left, like this way. Then he just came direct in the same place where this sparrow was stuck, still trapped over there. So Hiralal now searched that place. The driver steered the truck in position and got the extension ladder. Extension ladder, you can see this extension ladder. So with the help of this ladder, Ram Bharose swung up the extension ladder as the other man switched on his torch and held it up. The light from the torch picked out the sparrow hanging from the wire. So here, because it was dark now, so that's why what one man you can see from here, he was just showing the torch from standing over here and showing the torch. So through that torch light, through this light, they are able to see this sparrow. And now the Ram Bharose was there, they just take out this one from the wire. Ram Bharose carefully loosened the bird claw that was caught in the wire and put the sparrow in his shirt pocket. So what he has done is because this bird was trapped since morning, so many whites were there, and Ram Bharose was there. Very carefully he just take out his claw. Claw means panja, pair. Okay. And now what he has done, he has just put this sparrow, because now the sparrow is not in that condition, so it can fly. So what he has done, he has put this sparrow in his pocket, shirt pocket, like this way. Then he came down from the ladder. Okay, so the rescue had taken only a few minutes. Ram Bharose and his companions left after handling the sparrow to Hiralal. The bird rested in his cupped hands. Suddenly it jumped out to his hand. It spread its wings and began to fly. So now they came out. What they have done, the Ram Bharose, he has handed over this sparrow to Hiralal. Hiralal has done like this way. So he put that sparrow here. Okay, and after a few minutes, now the sparrow feels little bit better, and now the sparrow is ready to fly. Hiralal would always remember this magical moment. So now in this way the sparrow was flying. When went away, and this is a very magical moment in the Hiralal's life. Always he remember. So the moral of this story, you can see here how small this boy Hiralal, and how means he was loving the nature, bird, animal, any of the person. No, and you have seen he has faced a lots of problem. His parents, they have denied to save this sparrow. Then he went to the powerhouse. From there he got the negative answer, but then too he was trying, anyhow tried to save, and finally the result was there, he saved sparrow. So it means that we also need to do the hard work and always go with the positive. Okay, whether so many obstacles are there, then too we need to be positive. Definitely the day will come when we will become a winner. Okay.